What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock as we are getting extremely close to the Q3 earnings report. And guys, this is going to be a very, very big quarter. We weren't very excited for the Q2 earnings because SoFi was taking the foot off the gas for some of the business segments, and we just knew it was going to be a decent little quarter. But this should be the breakout quarter. And I want to apologize, guys. I've been off YouTube for about a month. I've been extremely busy with work here in Florida, and I had to really just, buckle down on work because the jobs were just, very crazy. I had a commercial contract, so, that's what I was really doing. But now we got a hurricane coming, Milton, I believe, and it should be here like Wednesday. So I'm doing a YouTube video now just in case I don't have power for the next 3-4 days because I'm staying in Florida. I just want to get a YouTube video out in case I want to film again. I might not be able to film, so we're going to be doing this video here today. So be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to try and get in a bigger rhythm, closer to earnings, busting out more videos once again. So guys, I'm really excited for this quarter. Don't think I, have not been bullish on SoFi recently, guys. I've been a little bit active on Twitter because it's, easier to post, but, I'm very, very excited for this quarter, guys. This should be the breakout quarter that we've been waiting for. 4 quarters in a row of profitability and, massive jumps quarter over quarter is what we're going to be looking at today for just profitability alone. And of course, the guidance should be, unreal for 2025. Q4 will probably be solid, but 2025, this is the quarter that we've really been waiting for. So we're going to take a look at a couple things. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, take a look. We are looking at the SoFi stock right now. We've been up a lot since I, stopped filming a month ago. I think we're up 20 to 30%. We're up 1.69% on the day today. We actually had a sell rating go out today while, a couple of other fintech stocks got upgrades that really, hammered the flow today, guys. I think we could have went up 4, 5, 6% easily, but of course, Compass Point, Baloney, came out with a downgrade, sell rating, same price target, $4. I don't think anything would change if SoFi doubled or tripled or quadrupled their profits because this guy's, all, wound up on this accounting issues that SoFi has. But in reality, there's, big institutions out there buying billions and billions of dollars of SoFi's loans. You think those guys are stupid? So this guy, has just gone ego crazy, and I think he'll never change his price target. So I don't even think he should be covering the SoFi stock because it's just a wasted analyst. Let's just do a quick update on the call and put options because we've been, doing a lot of updates on these recently when we were filming. Guys, to be honest with you, people got wiped out the past 3 to 5 months. When the stock was really not moving, there was massive call options. I seen 200,000, 300,000 left and right. If you look at the open interest on the next like 6 weeks, we'll start with the 11th right here, this upcoming week. Take a look at this, guys. We got 85,000 next week, 130, then a 30, 30, and a 6,000, 198, and a 5. And then you got the big leaps right here for 2025. But guys, I mean, reality, this is not that much right here. This is pretty dang low, in my opinion, from what SoFi has usually seen for open interest on calls. I mean, when we get by this, look at this, guys. It's just nothing for the next 3 weeks. So I just think people got wiped out, betting on call options on the SoFi stock. And this may be why you're seeing the SoFi stock up 20, 30% the past, month or so, okay? Just because, the market has no reason not to move this bad boy out because nobody's paying out, these calls because the open interest is just so low from what it usually is. But I do think you're going to see the calls move up a little bit because we got earnings in 21 days from today. Now look at this, guys. If you go into earnings whispers, you can see already they got SoFi listed at the top. Just shows you how much interest this stock truly has. It is a very, very big, retail name. Retail is just so bullish, on this transformation of banking, going from, brick and mortar buildings to online, completely digital. And it's just crazy how this is already listed on their main website as like a top stock to watch for the upcoming earnings. It just shows you. But guys, take a look at what the earnings whispers projection is, guys. We have a 6-cent projection right now, and the analysts are calling for 4 cents. So a 2-cent beat that earnings whisper wants. We'll take a look to verify it's a 4 cent. Yes, guys, you can see right here the average estimate on 14 analysts is 4 cents. But what I really want you guys to see is, from what we produced last quarter, which was about a penny, if we do hit that earnings whispers projection, you're looking for some crazy, crazy numbers, guys. Look at this. SoFi produced 1 cent EPS for Q2. That would be 500% EPS growth quarter over quarter, on top of hitting the 4 quarters in a row milestone, full year in a row of profitability, okay? These are huge milestones happening all at once, guys. We wanted to see the Q2 earnings, but we weren't very excited. We knew it wasn't going to be a blowout breakout. This could be the breakout quarter, guys. I mean, I think my projections from what I'm seeing, we could easily see SoFi, the way they've been beating, their, revenue and EPS and stuff like that. We could see about 60 to 70 million dollars probably in this Q3 earnings, and that could be leading us to, that $100 million profit range in Q4, which you're seeing, Palantir and Robinhood. That's where they've been in that 100 million plus level. I think SoFi's right there, and then look at the market cap. Okay, Palantir's 10 times higher and Robinhood's 3 times higher. Okay, SoFi has the growth. Okay, they have the future profitability kicking in very, very soon. It's just not getting priced for anything. This is a, show me story. You need to show me their numbers. There's no fantasy projections that are getting priced in right now. The market wants to see these numbers. That's the one thing that SoFi lags, that these other, fintechs, Upstart, Affirm, Robinhood have. Okay, SoFi is just that unlucky one, I believe, because it has the banking charter. It wants to actually see the numbers. Okay, nobody's believing anything management says on this $1 billion profit 2026. The market doesn't believe that. The market has to see it, and this is not going to be bad at all, guys. A 500% EPS quarter over quarter, 4 quarters in a row of profitability. And then take a look at, what's going to happen year over year numbers. Guys, this is where you're getting the Technisys write-off. Look at this, guys. You got the profitability right here. Net income 17 mil. Q1 was 88. That included the convertible note deal, so it was about 28 million. And then Q4 was very good, 47 million. But look at the year over year numbers, guys. This is where we got the Technisys write-off, negative 266. So think about the percentage change you're going to see if the numbers go from negative 266 million to $60 million, guys, on top of 4 quarters of profitability, on top of, 500% quarter over quarter EPS, guys. This is going to be a quarter that just the media is not going to be ready for, okay? It's going to open up the doors to massive institutions being able to buy this stock. You've already seen some institutions that are granted to buy SoFi stock right now, buying it up the past couple of quarters. You can see right here, guys, the month over month came out, I believe, for September. So this one right here, it just stayed the exact same. So there was no really big buying. They want to see the numbers, but you can see what's been happening the past, 2 years or so. Okay, it's just been going up like crazy. But guys, this could be the breakout quarter where the stock goes over $10. It hits 4 quarters in a row of profitability. The quarter over quarter numbers are 500% EPS, and then the year over year is freaking out of this world. That's where you get institutional ownership up here, 50, 55, 60%, okay? And the stock becomes more, fundamentally based, and it doesn't, keep seeing these ups and downs like we've been seeing for a long time. So I just think this is a story that has to be proven, okay? There's no fantasy projections that management says. No one cares. These analysts don't believe any of that. They're writing their own book on, projection of profitability. The numbers have to show, and I believe, we're going to get that in this upcoming quarter, 3 weeks away. And you guys can see the last video I did, you can see right here, was the one that Anthony Noto happened to come out on CNBC talking about, the economy, interest rates. The reason why the stock is lagging, which he believes is because they were interest rate sensitive and, getting priced in that category. And the guy called for a 50. No one out there thought there was going to be a 50, and he got the 50. So if Anthony Noto does not perform and we don't finally see EPS expansion over the next, let's give him, the 5-6 quarters up until the end of 2025. I mean, you're going to have to sell the stock if he doesn't prove it out, because, this is what he wanted. He said, give me the 50. We're going to be taking over student loans, mortgages, HELOCs across the board. Assets are going to continue to grow and invest. And, you should see these Galileo customers really start to pick up because, their interest rates are going to be a bit lower as well. So the tech platform should pick up. This is it, guys. If Anthony Noto doesn't perform, we give him 4 quarters maybe. This stock, might be a bust. Okay, I don't think that's gonna happen. I think he's gonna execute when he says, this is what he needed. He got the 50. That was my last video I filmed, and this is Anthony Noto's, chance to shine and really show what a fintech can truly do in a lower interest rate environment when they focus on EPS expansion along with growth, stealing the market share from legacy competition, guys. This is it, okay? This is the quarter we've been waiting for. There's no other excuses. If you made it to the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing this video for you. Once again, guys, I'm going to try and get back in that rhythm. Um, I might get held up from this hurricane. I believe there's going to be, power outages. I don't know how long it's going to be, but, this is a really, really big storm. Luckily, I'm not in the massive, massive flood zones, but I'm still going to have to deal with, the crazy winds, and there could still be a little bit of flooding, so we'll see. But I just knew I'm going to have the urge to start filming soon, so I wanted to get this video out for you guys. So be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I can. This is the breakout quarter we've been waiting for, and I have not, stopped believing in the SoFi stock. I believe our time is going to come, and when it comes, it's going to come faster than anybody expected. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.